Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic day. In today's video, we have a lot to talk about because Scion Management and Michael Burry has just come out with a new 13F quarterly report. We're going to cover all the different stocks in there, the different moves that he made. I like paying attention to his stocks. I also have some different stocks that are in my portfolio that I personally am looking to get out of since this last report, and you may want to take a look at some exit points also, but I have a couple of new stocks for you that I really like of the stocks that he's added here over the last quarter. But before we get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, consider subscribing and turning on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. If you want access to my different stock picks, the way to do it is be a member through the Patreon. I have a free level through there, so there's something where you can cover a lot of different stocks just at the free level that costs nothing. You will want to check it out. I have a link in the description down below. I also have other levels that talk about my insider picks and some of my great stock picks that you may like and want to participate in. All right, well, let's get to work. We have so much to talk about. First of all, Michael Burry and his current portfolio. We have Alibaba, Booking Holdings, Crescent Energy, Euronav, Hudson Pacific Properties, which I believe isn't traded anymore. That's an interesting one. JD.com, Nexstar Media Group, The Real, Safe Bulkers Incorporated, Star Bulk Carriers Incorporated, and Stellantis. And that's it. He exited out of a lot of key positions. Some of these I had positions in. The very first is QRTEA. That is one. I am up 44.21% in that. I will look for an exit point on that tomorrow morning. It's been a great stock, but it's time to move on. Also, Warner Brothers Discovery. I am currently up 2.17% since the last video that came out. I will be looking for an exit on that one also. So as we take a look at others here, some others that were got out of, NYCB is one that I personally had. I am down 3.38% in that, but I'm going to look for an exit point on it. Time to move on. MGM, also called out in my last video. Since calling that out, it is up 11.94%. Going to look for an exit point on that one. The next is Lilac, L-I-L-A-K. This was another one that I liked. Up 2.31%. Going to look for an exit point in my personal portfolio on that one. We have iHeart up here, I-H-R-T. Since calling that one out in the last video, down 5.98%. So that one hasn't been so good. All right, let's get through a couple more. We have GNRC, which is right here. I am going to be selling that one tomorrow. That was called out in the last video also for a 15.37% gain. Very solid stock. And finally, Expedia right here. And Expedia selling for a 30.06% gain since the last time of my last video. So some good stocks. He definitely exited quite a few positions. I'm really surprised to see so many different changes. But there are two stocks that I really like within this, and let's cover those and start to talk about those. So here are the weekly charts of a lot of those. Here's EXPE. You can see I liked it on these buy signals on the weekly chart, and has not hit its normal sell signal on it, but it has hit resistance. And now is a good time to exit, especially knowing that Michael Burry and Scion Asset Management is out of it. That was the reason why I liked it, and so for that reason, that's a good reason to exit. GNRC, looking at the chart right here as it loads, waiting for it to load here. Yes, so you can see this buy signal here. It's been a nice little move up, but time to move on, so on and so forth. All right, so let's talk about two of the stocks that's now in his portfolio that I really like. And those The very first one is going to be Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. I don't like that it's a Chinese stock, but I love this cluster of buy signals here. This is a very good value in my opinion. I like this pick. It's not surprising to see him go into Alibaba. This is a stock that he's liked in the past, and so I will probably look for a starter position in this, and we'll look to average in on more buy signals. But anyway, this is a stock I'm going to try to find an entry point in tomorrow morning. Being that he's in it, fits the strategy just perfect. Another one is JD.com, ticker symbol JD. Another one I'll look for entry on tomorrow morning. And of the stocks within his portfolio, these are the only two that I like. Now, that does not mean that they won't go up or whatever, but I like to buy stocks that have DeMark buy signals and on the weekly chart, and both of these have that. So JD.com is another one I'm going to look for an entry point on, and we'll look for a move to the upside. So today's going to be just a really quick video. I just wanted to cover this since this just came out. I'm going to be making these different moves to my portfolio. Hopefully those who have watched the previous video are enjoying these picks and enjoying the money. If you decided to invest, this was, pretty good win rate, 75% win rate out of these stocks. And now that we've had the new one, this is a good time to exit with some gains, especially with how the market has been moving up. I wish you all the best in the stock market. Please reach out to me in the comment section down below if you have any questions. And Raythoven out.